We'll guide you through how to create 3D models in Blender using the latest methods and UI elements for 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop and make sure you have the latest version installed. Once you're in, you'll see the default startup file with a cube in the center. To start modeling, you can either use this cube or delete it by pressing the X key and confirming the delete. To add a new object, press Shift+A to open the Add menu, where you can choose from a variety of shapes like a cube, sphere, or cylinder. Let's say you choose a cube. With the cube selected, press Tab to enter edit mode. Now, you can start manipulating it. Use the G key to grab and move the vertices, edges, or faces. Press S to scale and R to rotate them. To create more complex shapes, you can use the Loop Cut tool by pressing Ctrl+R, which allows you to add more geometry for detailed modeling. Click and drag to position the cut, then click again to confirm. You can also extrude faces by selecting a face and pressing E, then dragging it out to create new geometry. If you want to smooth out your model, go to the Modifier tab, which looks like a wrench, and add a Subdivision Surface modifier. Adjust the levels to get the desired smoothness. Remember to switch back to Object mode by pressing Tab again to see the final look. For rendering, go to the Render Properties tab. Choose your preferred render engine like Cycles or Eevee, and adjust the settings accordingly. Finally, to save your model, go to File, then Export, and choose the format you need, like OBJ or FBX, for use in other applications. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.